Hi, my name is Harshita. I'm from Kolinso Lab Delhi campus and I'm currently pursuing my postgraduate in advertising and graphic designing. Being at this institute has really been a wholesome experience for me. At Kol, it's not just about lectures and theories, but here we dive right into the world of creativity. We get into hands-on learning from day one. And for me, the most incredible aspect of the institute is the exceptional faculty. The professors we have are not just teachers, but they are professionals from the industry who bring in a wealth of real world knowledge and experience into the classrooms, and they understand the demands and the challenges of the creative industry, and they are really able to provide us with their invaluable insights. The institute provides us with various opportunities to connect with the design industry, from conducting various workshops to organizing different guest lectures. They make sure that we are at our forefront with the ever-evolving creative industry. We work together with our classmates who share the same passion for design, and it really creates an inspiring and supporting environment for us to work in. And we have the opportunity to exchange ideas, to learn more, and to build lifelong friendships. And that's all the reason I can say that I'm confident about my career in design, as it's a place where we learn, we explore, and we challenge ourselves on a daily basis.